All right, today we're having this show with dryer, Kenmore dryer. Not heating up. It works, spin, but it doesn't heat up. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see and test it, see what went wrong, what got ruined, broken, in other words. But before anything, before you start opening, don't forget to unplug from the main outlet. From here, that's the dryer. See, now everything's off. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead start. All right, I went ahead order a new part. The thermistor, actually, I'm sorry. Well, I did change the thermistor also, but this is the thermal fuse. The one is pretty much bad. Let's go ahead over this. Does the job. Hopefully, it will do the job. Otherwise, we'll be in trouble. Might be able to dry out my clothes. So let's see. Okay, I hear beeping. That means it has continuity. CC. You see on my multimeter. Having trouble with this. To focus. All right, let's see now. So it says counting down and you hear that beeping. I mean, this one's good. So let's go ahead, get it installed. It's got a narrow spot here, but I'm gonna have to do my thing. I don't know if you guys can see that, but trying to get as much as focus as much as I can. So let's connect this one. It's a little tight. Make sure that's nice and tight. Let's go ahead get this connectors in, and that goes here. One little screw goes in there. Hard to see it here.
Okay, it's in place. Let's tighten it down just a bit. Not too much, just a little snug. Okay, all right. Sorry for this. It's getting near the spot. That's where it goes. One on the back. I also replaced the thermistor. This one here, just in case. I didn't see that was bad, but might as well I replaced it. So, all right, let's see if it works. Just turn this thing back on. Get a connector. Bring this back up. I turned that gas valve on already. Turn it on, and it's hooked up to the outlet. And let's go ahead turn this on. The moment of the truth. Let's see time, and then let's go ahead hit start. Running. There you go. Yes, lit up. I mean, it's working. Perfect. Good deal. All right. So we made this thing happen. Again, it's the Kenmore dryer. It was not drying, not heating up. Now we have it working. So good deal. It was just the thermal fuse that was burned. If you have any comments, let me know down below, and we'll see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed, you can subscribe for more videos coming up pretty soon. And as always, thanks for watching, and have a good one.